everyone! In today's tutorial, we're diving into Jenkins, the leading open-source automation server widely used for building, testing, and deploying software projects. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Jenkins in two environments, Windows and the cloud, whether you're developing locally or on AWS Cloud. His guide will help you get Jenkins up and running smoothly. Stick around to the end for some pro tips on configuring Jenkins for maximum efficiency and security. Let's jump in. For Jenkins installation, firstly we must have the Java 17 on our computer. We need to download the Java 17 for official page. The link will be in the description. We need to choose the suitable OS and bit number. For Windows, we have to choose the Windows 64-bit installer. After downloading the file, open the installer and finish the installation by clicking the Every Next button. After installation got completed, add the Java to environmental variables and Java path as mentioned. First, copy the Java path and paste the Java path under the Java_home variable. Edit the path and paste the Java path and add \bin. After setting the environmental variables, let's start the Jenkins installation. Without Java environment, Jenkins did not work. First, we need to download the Jenkins installer from the Jenkins official website. In the web page, we need to choose Windows that will download the installer. Open the installer and finish the installation. In installation, first we need to test port, whether the 8080 port is already assigned or not after testing port, and also give the Java path, and clicking the next that will finish installation. After finishing the installation, open the browser and enter localhost. Port number of the Jenkins service will work on port, which will be given at time of installation. I had given 8080. So I have enter localhost 8080. After entering into the Jenkins, we need to unlock Jenkins. For unlocking the Jenkins, we need to get administrator password, copy the Jenkins password path for the localhost, and paste in the File Explorer address bar, and select Notepad to get the admin password. Copy the admin password and paste in the Jenkins page, and select the Install suggested plugins. You will need your username and password to access Jenkins. Full name and email, we can give whatever we want. Please remember these credentials. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Jenkins. On Windows, get you ready to automate your builds, tests, and deployments. Now, we will start installing the Jenkins on AWS Cloud. Here we need EC2 instance with Amazon Linux 2 with a key pair, an all traffic security group, and 8 GB of storage. First, we need to launch a launch instance and configuration as mentioned. Now, we have successfully launched an instance with Linux with required configuration. Now, let's connect the Linux server using MoBaxterm. First, copy the IP address, and in MoBaxterm use SSH method that we paste the IP address, and for Linux the username was EC2 user, and in advanced settings we will use PEM-key, which we use to create instance. For any installation, we need to access the root user by using command sudo su. For Jenkins installation, we need to install Java 17, and by using commands, and the commands are in the description. By using these commands, the Jenkins installation will be completed. And the last two commands are used to start the Jenkins service after starting Jenkins using the IP and port number in the browser. To unlocking the Jenkins from the Linux, just copy the path Jenkins path and using cat command and paste the path to get password. By using the password to unlock the Jenkins and process will be the same as Windows. Now, we have successfully installed Jenkins on AWS Cloud. That's it for now. You've just completed the Jenkins installation and initial setup. Keep following along for more advanced tips and tutorials on automating your workflows. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates.